This week I have this Yukon XL in for a full interior detail. This vehicle belongs to some family friends, and the husband originally contacted me just to do the interior, but I decided to throw in the exterior with the paint enhancement as a gift for the wife for her birthday. The owners of this vehicle live on a dirt road, so there is some heavy dirt accumulation in the door jambs and the undercarriage, as well as in the carpet. We're going to focus on trying to get the interior as clean as possible. The rims and arches were pre-rinsed to try to remove the majority of the dirt and grime that had built up, and then cleaned using P&S Brake Buster diluted 5 parts to 1 in an IK foam spray. There was some discoloration and clear coat failure in parts of the rim, so I tried to be careful, but this ultimately needed something a little extra, so I used Meguiar's Wheel Brightener, which is a wheel acid, to try to remove that discoloration from the rim, which worked pretty well. Once the rims and arches were cleaned, I moved on to cleaning up the door jambs. Using super clean diluted 10 parts to 1 in a pump sprayer, I worked my way around the door to clean the interior door jamb. The engine bay was fairly dusty and had not been cleaned in a while, so I decided to throw that in as well. Cleaning the engine bay using the super clean solution that I used for the door jambs. Once the engine bay has been cleaned, I dress all the plastic components using Meguiar's Hyper Dressing diluted 4 parts to 1, and left the engine bay to dry. I then moved on to the foam bath using Meguiar's Hyper Wash diluted 4 ounces in a foam cannon, which does a decent job, but does not have the thickest foam. This was left to dwell for a few minutes to begin breaking down the dirt and grime that was on the surface of the paint. The contact wash was then performed using a horsehair brush on an extended handle and an assortment of wash media such as a chenille wash mitt. The vehicle was clayed using Adam's clay mitt and McKee's 914 at Rinseless solution as my clay lubricant. The interior of this vehicle was fairly dusty and had a decent amount of dirt built up in the carpet, so I proceeded to do the initial vacuum around the vehicle and try to work on removing as much dirt as possible using the air blowout gun. All interior panels on this vehicle were cleaned using P&S Express Interior, an assortment of brushes, and scrub pads. The carpets were pre-soaked using an encapsulation cleaner by Release It called DS2. This was left to dwell for a few minutes before proceeding with a drill brush. This allows you to clean the carpets without oversaturating the fibers. I decided to proceed with a paint enhancement on this vehicle to try to bring back some depth and clarity to this paint. This vehicle has over 150,000 miles and could use a fresh cleanup. The product that I'm using is HD Speed, which does fill a little bit, but it also leaves behind a layer of wax, which will last up to 6 months.
So